You must have your facts in line. I mean, we were taken to CCMA one day.
Really?
Yes.
How was that experience?
It was
You know,
horrible.
those are some of the bad experience or horrible experience that as a
Mm.
business person you'll be like, when are they taking me?
Don't wish for
No,
that.
I will not wish it.
Do
But yeah,
not
it's
wish that
crazy.
upon
Yeah,
yourself,
yeah.
especially if you don't know what happens. So for us, we didn't know what happens in CCMA.
Yeah.
And I think if you don't do things in a principled way and follow the right procedures, you are going to look really bad in that setting. So make sure that you have written warnings. Make sure that you're following the right procedure when it comes to labor laws and all of that. So for us, it was a big, big learning curve to say these are the procedures that you follow, and also have a third party. Sometimes maybe you're starting off and you don't have an HR personnel within the company. Just ask somebody that is matured in the family, or a friend, somebody that you really feel that they have wisdom, in handling issues or handling conflict, to join you in a disciplinarian meeting, so that you're not biased as well. Because sometimes as leaders, we can be biased, and we can be favoring ourselves, whereas we have these blind spots, and the next person that is coming into the environment for the very first time, and they will be hearing the person's story and hearing your story.
Oh, yeah.
They can judge better. So you can also introduce that to help you confront the matter in a fair manner. But procedures are very important. So in that CCMA case, it wasn't easy, because you deal with the matter there and there, and if you don't have your facts straight, it really makes you look bad. So
But did you issue out like written notices?
so we issued out verbal warnings. We issued out we nothing written per se, but then there were certain things that we had case after case, incident after incident, where we were disrespected, or where we were there was that misunderstanding, there were arguments, there were underperformances in some instances. We were taking note of all of those things. So coming into that CCMA case, if you haven't built a case mentally, how I was saying that you build a case mentally, and you build the case not just for that person, you're also building a case for future incidences, to say this is how you're going to deal with an issue if it arises again. So you're always learning. Nothing happens by chance. You're always learning for that person, and you're learning for the person that comes later on. So out of that experience, because we had mentally built a case, we could give, incident after incident, verbal warning after verbal warning, and when it happened,
Yeah.
how did it not, all those various things, and the different times that, we followed the procedure. But where we were faulted was we didn't do the written warnings, So you think a written warning is not, but it's very important how you document all of that. So it's yeah. They say when there's more than 3 people, it's a political party.
Yeah, that's saying, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So
It-
welcome,
it's crazy.
Yeah, it becomes a political party. It gets rife, yeah.
And the people who are troublesome, they know though their rights, ne?
They know
Most
their
of the
rights.
time.
Yeah, they know their rights. So
Yeah.
when that invitation to go to CCMA came, I was shocked. I didn't think we'd ever be taken there, because you think you've done so much for a person that they wouldn't feel that, hey, you've mistreated them in any way, Yeah.
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 Yeah. You said something about working in it, which is the business, and working on it.
Yeah.
Then that transition of putting those systems in
Yeah.
place is when you transition, like getting yourself out of it
Yeah.
and on it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So entrepreneurs are carrying a lot of weight. Are carrying a lot of weight. Like you are one person, but you have to be a director, HR, finance, labor relations person. So studying and interacting with different people from those different fields also plays a huge role. And while you are growing, the revenue might be growing, and then the responsibilities will also grow.
Yeah.
And So those are the challenges that young people out there. I'm an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Have you been taken to CCMA
Hey.
or labor office? Because even CCMA is the
Yeah.
last resort.
Yeah.
What internal systems or organization I
Mhm.
put in place? That's one of the questions I'm sure they ask you.
Mhm.
But how do you resolve the dispute in your
Yes.
organization?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, and depending on where you are at, as
Mhm.
she has alluded to, Guti, sometimes you might get someone outside there.
Mm.
It goes with the relationships,
Mm.
marriage and whatnot. If you don't see eye to eye, kuzabuza, "Eh, mna,
Yeah.
take this thing to Rakadi or umalume.
Yeah. Then you bring the
Omnyathi,
elders.
lo malume favourisha lo mtshana wakhe." That this problem couldn't be resolved.
Mm.
The next person, mfundisi or marriage counselor and
Mhm.
things like
Mhm.
that.
Mm.
Yeah, so yeah, running a business is a huge thing.
Yeah.
Anyway, now you're running this business with your aunt and your coco.
Hey, yes, in the coco.